Chia seed benefits. This is what happens to a woman who consumes chia seeds with lemon. Remedies and all-natural drinks are a delicious source to fight disease and improve the functioning of the body. Many of them have an incredible amount of properties that ensure that your body has the nutrients, vitamins and minerals you need, including this delicious smoothie is lemon juice with chia seeds. To begin with, we can say that this wonderful combination of natural ingredients is quite useful for two aspects of your body that surely will interest you more if you are women: preventing premature aging and lose those kilos you have more, all thanks to its high content antioxidants and phytonutrients. It is important to know that this drink is a rich source of calcium and vitamin C. Both provide benefits to your body to keep youth, eliminate toxins and prevent fluid retention, i.e., lose weight. There is a body fat, which is what everyone wants to eliminate and also the most difficult to achieve: abdominal fat. For this drink allows you to facilitate fat loss in this area, making so you can show off a completely flat abdomen. Chia seeds are a source of fatty acids, omega-3, fiber, antioxidants and more. Combined with the antioxidant benefits of lemon, it is ideal. Learn how to prepare the lemon juice smoothie with chia seeds. To make this shake magical and enjoy all the benefits you need: 5 grams of chia seeds, 1 cup water and 1/2 a lemon, 1 tablespoon honey. Procedure and consumption: the first thing to do is let the seeds soak for an hour. When you go out of time, you will notice that a gel that is so characteristic of these seeds is created. Then you remove the lemon juice and add it to water. The seeds and gel is formed. Finally, sweeten with a little honey to taste and ready. In this way you can achieve everything you want in a fairly simple way. It rejuvenates your body and lose extra kilos with lemon and chia seeds.